the Black Knight satellite with subscribed CTA. They say something ancient is orbiting our planet, older than any civilization, older than humanity itself. A dark object that watches from above, silent, patient, eternal. It's called the Black Knight satellite. If you love exploring the mysteries hidden in our skies and history, make sure to subscribe to MysteryLens, and let's dive together into one of Earth's strangest legends. Arpasis. Chapter 1. Tesla's strange signal. In 1899, Nikola Tesla was alone in his Colorado Springs laboratory, experimenting with wireless transmissions. One night, he detected a signal that defied explanation. A repeating pattern, rhythmic and intelligent, coming from somewhere beyond Earth. Tesla believed it was a message from another world. Few took him seriously, but decades later, radio operators around the globe began reporting long-delayed echoes, signals that bounced back seconds later as if something in orbit were reflecting them. Was it natural, or was it the first whisper from the Black Knight? Arpasis. Chapter 2. A dark object in the sky. Fast forward to 1960. During the height of the Cold War, the US military detected an unidentified object in polar orbit. No country had the technology to place anything there. For a brief moment, the world held its breath. Was it Russian? Was it alien? The press went wild, and NASA said little. Soon, the object vanished. But the legend had begun. Years later, photographs from space missions showed a strange, dark object orbiting Earth, irregular in shape, twisting slowly in sunlight. NASA claimed it was a thermal blanket lost during a spacewalk. But many looked closer and said it didn't look like fabric at all. It looked engineered. Arpasis. Chapter 3. An ancient watcher? If the Black Knight exists, who built it? Some believe it's a 13,000-year-old satellite left behind by an alien civilization, a cosmic guardian observing the rise and fall of humanity. Others suggest it's a fragment of a forgotten human age, proof that our ancestors reached the stars long before we did. Supporters point to an old radio transmission decoded in the 1,950 seconds, which seemed to trace the star system Epsilon Boötis, as it appeared 13,000 years ago. Coincidence? Or a map home? If this story fascinates you, hit the subscribe button now, because here at MysteryLens, we uncover the hidden truths the world forgot. Arpasis. Chapter 4. NASA's silence. Every time new evidence appears, it disappears again. Photos vanish. Logs are redacted. Official statements change. Skeptics call it misidentification, nothing more than space debris. But believers ask, if it's just debris, why does it keep showing up? Astronauts on the STS-88 mission in 1998 photographed a dark, tumbling object in orbit. The images went public, and once again, NASA called it a lost thermal blanket. But the public saw something else. A sleek, angular structure casting a sharp shadow against the curve of the Earth. Arpasis. Chapter 5. The Modern Hunt. Today, amateur astronomers and satellite trackers continue the search. They scan the skies, tracking unidentified blips that appear and vanish without warning. Some claim to have seen it, a black shape moving silently across the stars. Others say it's only myth, a story born from coincidence and imagination. But even myths can have roots in truth. Somewhere above us, thousands of satellites orbit the Earth. We know what most of them are, but not all. Maybe the Black Knight isn't watching us. Maybe it's waiting for the moment we're ready to understand where it came from. Arpasis. Epilogue, the watcher above. Whether it's alien technology, ancient debris, or nothing at all, the story of the Black Knight reminds us of one thing. There is still mystery in our skies. We scan the heavens, searching for answers, and sometimes the universe answers back. In whispers we can barely hear, Until then, we keep looking up. Because somewhere above this planet, perhaps the black night still drifts, silent, eternal, watching us from the dark. If you enjoyed this mystery, like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more hidden stories from space and time. This is MysteryLens.